Hello and a very warm welcome. This is what it has come down to. This is the headlines today's State of War projections. We'll begin with the big battleground state of Uttar Pradesh. The Election Commission deadlines are over. The channels can now make their projections and forecasts. We're going to take you through our forecasts for Uttar Pradesh, for Punjab. I want to introduce our guests to you. I'm joined by Headlines Today's political editor Javed Ansari. He spent the better part of the last 2 months travelling throughout Uttar Pradesh. Joining us, the most important man in the show this evening, Sanjay Kumar, one of the best known psephologists. He's been tracking data and analysis very closely, trying to understand where the castes and communities of Uttar Pradesh who will determine the future of who will form the next government, who are these people voting for, how is the vote moving. Sanjay Kumar has a lot of analysis lined up for our viewers. Deepankar Gupta is joining us, well-known sociologist, understands Uttar Pradesh very closely. Sanjeev Srivastava has been travelling through Uttar Pradesh as well. He's got his own analysis on the back of our figures. I also want to introduce to you Sudhindra Kulkarni, member of the BJP. We've got Shahid Siddiqui, General Secretary of the Samajwadi Party, joining us. We've also got Sanjay Jha, co-founder of HamaraCongress.com, and Sudhindra Bhadoria, member of the BSP. So let's just get straight down to business and take you through our projections and forecasts for Uttar Pradesh. This is what everybody wants to know. No point in a massive build-up going on for us. Let's just get straight down to what people really want to know. How did the voters of Uttar Pradesh really vote? And I first want to take you through the figures for 2007 so that you get a sense of the projections then. So in 2007, the Samajwadi Party got 98 seats. Now, Sanjay Kumar is projecting that the Samajwadi Party is likely to end up with between 195 to 210 seats. That's a gain of a massive 100 seats, way beyond what people had been expecting so far, much away from what conventional wisdom in these elections so far has been. Let's come to Mayawati's party, the BSP, which got a whopping 206 seats in the 2007 assembly polls. Sanjay Kumar is now projecting that the BSP is likely to lose about 110 seats and its tally is likely to be only in the range of 88 to 98 seats. Mayawati's crown seems to be slipping, and how? Rahul Gandhi has been campaigning all across Uttar Pradesh. He's made this a battle for prestige. So is his effort paying off? Unfortunately not. At least that's what the forecasts seem to indicate. The party ended up with 32 seats along with the RLD. So we've added the RLD pie to the Congress's pie. There are 32 seats in the 2007 elections. That is now likely to go up to just 38 to 42 seats. That's just a gain of about 10 seats. So not really making much headway, unfortunately, for the Congress party. Let's now come to the BJP, which got 51 seats in the 2007 assembly elections. They're now likely to be between 50 and 56 seats. That is what the State of War projections are. Before I get down to our guest, let me also take you through the vote share so that you get a sense of how the votes in Uttar Pradesh have really moved. Let's begin with the Samajwadi Party, which got 25% of the votes in the 2007 elections. Their vote share likely to rise by 6%, going up to 31%. That's a massive positive vote in favor of the SP. We'll get down to what caused that. Let's come to the BSP, which got 30% of the vote in the last elections. That's now likely to come down to 24% of the vote. That's a loss of about 6%. The Congress and the RLD got about 13% of the vote in the last elections. They're likely to go up only to 14%, so not registering any major gains in vote share. The BJP was about 17%, likely to come down to 16%. So the big breaking story at this time is that the State of War projections are that Akhilesh Yadav, Mulayam Yadav are the man of the match, the men of the match in Uttar Pradesh. They're likely to storm home to power in convincing fashion. 195 to 210 seats, a gain of about 100 seats. That's what Sanjay Kumar is projecting.